So I'll be showing you how to remove or forget a Bluetooth device from your Samsung Smart TV. So just go to your TV's settings and then go to all settings. Under all settings, go to connection, select that, and then go to Bluetooth devices, select that. And then you'll see a list of all your Bluetooth devices. So for instance, I have this pair of AirPods which are paired via Bluetooth. If I had more, they would be listed right below that. So I'll select this one and then I'll go from the little menu that pops up, select delete, and then confirm you want to delete. And that device, that Bluetooth device is going to be removed from my Samsung Smart TV. It's really as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.